Hello, my name is Tom, and today I'm going to be discussing how to use the Airthings brand electronic radon detector, which is available for you to borrow from your local library. Radon is a naturally occurring, colorless, and odorless gas, and the only way to know the level of radon in your home is by testing for it. Exposure to radon gas over a lifetime can increase your odds of getting lung cancer, so it's an important metric for you to test for within your home. Now, fortunately, the electronic radon detector is easy to use. The first thing you'll want to do is you want to determine where in your home you're going to place it. It is often recommended to place it in the lowest inhabitable area of your home, which most often is going to be the basement. You want to place it at least 20 inches off of the ground and at least 5 feet from the nearest door, window, or air vent. Good examples of this: you could place it on a chair in the middle of your basement, or if there's a workbench, you could place it there, or a shelf. You just want to make sure that there are no obstructions around the sides, no boxes that are going to inhibit the airflow coming to it. While you are testing, normal entry and exit from the home can be continued. However, windows should remain closed as they can ventilate the home. If you ventilate the home, that is going to cause the actual radon level that is in your home, that is going to be shown on your detector, to come in lower than it actually is. So to get an accurate reading, you want to make sure that those windows are closed for the remainder of the test. Now, after you've determined where you're going to set up the detector, using a toothpick, what you want to do is you want to reset the device. To do so, you're going to flip the unit over and you're going to find the reset button right there. You're going to click and press that in for a few seconds. After you've done so, you're going to go ahead and you're going to see a few flashing numbers on the front side. It's going to count up, and that is the initiation of the calibration of the device. After it is counted up to a point, I think it's up to 100, then you're going to see up to 4 flashing lines on the detector. As those lines are flashing, it is going to go ahead and take its initial reading. That initial reading is going to come to you in it's going to take up to 24 hours to get that initial reading. Now, when you get that initial reading, that should just be an indication of what the level of radon in your home is. The longer you test, the more accurate your results will be, as it's going to show you the average level of radon in your home. Go ahead and take a look at the front of this device, and we're going to see that there are 2 numbers on there. The top number there is your long-term average, and the bottom number there is your short-term average. Top number is going to be an average of the radon in your home for the duration of the time you've been testing. Number on the bottom there, short-term average, that is going to alternate between showing you what the radon level is for the past day or for the past 7 days. And it's going to alternate back and forth between those 2 numbers. If after you get your readings, you determine that you find that the level in your home is above 4 picocuries per liter, that is the level at which the EPA has set as the action level, and some action should be likely taken in your home. If you find that you are above those 4 picocuries per liter, you should contact a certified radon mitigation contractor and then continue to monitor. If your radon level is determined to be between 2 and 4, you could consider contacting a certified radon mitigation contractor, but you can also continue to monitor. And if your radon level shows that you are below 2, then you're likely okay, but continued monitor can be considered. As radon levels do fluctuate throughout the year, the EPA recommends testing your home once every 2 years or after any major renovations. I want to thank you for watching this today. Again, this electronic radon detector is now available for you to borrow from your local library. So please go and borrow it, test your home, see what the level in your home is, and then tell one of your friends to borrow it as well. If you have any questions about radon, about electronic detector, about testing your home, you can always get more information by going to radonlibrary.com. Thank you.